In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a metapixel on a Tally.so form. To start, open up your preferred web browser and type in Tally.so into the search bar. Once you've done that, look for the correct link and click on it. This will take you to the Tally.so homepage or directly to the login page if you're returning. Go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If this is your first time visiting the site and you haven't yet created an account, you'll want to do so before proceeding. Just take a moment to get yourself set up, and when you do log in, make sure you have your metapixel number handy because you'll need it shortly. Once inside your account, navigate to your Tally dashboard. This is where you'll find all of the forms you've created or have access to. Scan through your forms and open the one you'd like to connect with your metapixel. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating your desired form. With the form open, you'll now want to turn your attention to finding the Facebook pixel option. This is part of the integrations list within Tally.so, which is a very efficient feature allowing you to enhance the functionality of your forms. Scroll through, and when you find Facebook pixel, click on the Connect button. Here's where your metapixel number comes into play. When prompted, you'll need to paste that number into the appropriate field. So, having it on hand is crucial. Remember, this feature is a part of the Tally.so Pro package. Therefore, if you're on a free plan, you'll need to consider upgrading to access this specific integration. The Pro plan offers a range of advanced features that are worth exploring if you manage numerous forms or require more complex functionalities. And with that, you've now successfully connected your metapixel to your Tally.so form. This integration will enable valuable tracking of user interactions that can provide insights for optimizing your campaigns. Being proactive in understanding and utilizing these insights can greatly enhance your marketing efforts. I hope this guide has clarified the process for you, and I encourage you to make the most of the data you collect through your newly set up integration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.